Sometimes the MT4 News Stopout EA does not display any news events on the chart. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you can click Terminal and visit Experts tab. Kindly make sure that there are no error messages. The latest error messages will always appear at the top and they will be having a red color icon here. If there are no error messages, next, you can go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors, and kindly make sure that following features are enabled. Allow automated trading. Allow DLL imports. Allow web request for a listed URL. And this URL is present in the list of URLs. It is also present below in video description. After that, you can press OK. Still, we do not see any news events on the chart. In the next step, you can right-click on the chart, go to Expert Advisors Properties, go to the Common tab, and kindly make sure that Allow Live Trading is enabled and Allow DLL Imports is enabled. Then, you can go to the Inputs tab here. This is the last step. We might have set anything wrong here, due to which the Expert Advisor is not showing news events. Kindly make sure that this input Allow News Filter is enabled. And you have set a good number of news events. 30 is a good number. At least, it should be above 0, and at least one of these 3 should be enabled. Now, you can press OK. Well, you can see a list of news events on the chart. If you turn these to false, then the Expert Advisor will neither display the high-impact news events nor medium and no low-impact news events. So there will be no news on the chart. If you would like to see a lot of news events on the chart, you can enable all these. And you can also increase the length of this panel. Right now, this panel can display up to 30 news events, but you can even increase it up to 60. Press OK. Wow, you see a lot of news events on the chart and some nice vertical lines as well. This message will appear whenever there is a news event and the auto trading will be stopped. See, it has been stopped because currently we are very close to a news event. There are some precautionary measures that should be taken. Number 1, kindly make sure that you are running this Expert Advisor on Forex currency pairs because it only supports Forex news events. Number 2, kindly make sure that you are not running it on Saturday through Sunday. It can only show you news events from Monday to Friday. The Forex market is closed on Saturday and Sunday. Number 3. On Friday, there might be very less news events on the chart because that's the last day of the weekend, but there will be no news events on Saturday and no news events on Sunday. If you still encounter an issue which is unresolved, please get back to our customer support team. We shall try to assist you as soon as we can. Thank you for watching.